go. First time test driving right now with my QuickShifter, my Toce exhaust. Translogic QuickShifter. There's no auto blip on this one, so I gotta downshift manually. Woo! Out of the box, baby! I don't need no adjustments right now. It feels pretty good. Like, yeah, damn! QuickShifter, baby! Toce exhaust, let's get it! Woo! I gotta get it down into an ECU flash now. Woo! I feel so smooth, baby! Woo! Let's fucking get it! Damn, all the hard work! 4 days of work, baby! I'm working on this bike. Oh my god! 4 days! Holy shit, this is worth it! Woo! 4 days of working on this bike. Oh my god! About 30 to 40 hours within those 4 days. It's all worth it. It's all worth it, baby. God damn, let's get it. We're probably gonna do some fine adjustment on the shift rod. Feels like it's sticking a little bit right now. I just felt it when I was shifting earlier, so I gotta adjust that. Pretty good. I gotta do some minor adjustments on the shift rod for sure though. It wasn't sticking there, but I'm gonna have to shorten the gap. So I'm gonna have to shorten the gap just a little bit like that. Just sounds so nice, man. It feels so good shifting. You guys are probably wondering, oh, why did you get a QuickShifter? Right? Like, I mean, to be honest, I don't need it. I just wanted it. I was bored of just shifting, you know what I mean, with my clutch lever right here. So I just wanted something different, you know what I mean. Like I said, I don't need it, but I mean, I wanted it though for sure, 100%. That's why I got it. I'm representing Translogic right now. Oh my god, this shit is butter smooth. This shit feels nice. Out of the box. Out of the box. I don't need no freaking fine tuning or anything other than, like I said, the rod. I'm gonna have to squeeze it in just a little bit. Oh, I'm so happy, man. After all the hard work, it's worth it. It's worth it. And even at low RPMs, it still shifts smooth. That's what my one main concern was, low RPMs, if it's gonna be clunky or not. But hey, man, it's so smooth as hell. Low RPMs. See, even low RPMs. I'm at 5,000 RPM. I just shifted right there. Oh my god! And the other one, watch this. 5,000 RPM shift. Woo! So what do you call this? I got videos of me removing and installing parts. I even have one where I weighed the stock exhaust. I don't know if the quality is gonna be good because the camera that I'm using is pretty old already, so I'll upload that and put it all in together. But yeah, right now I'm just test driving it and see how it goes. So far so good, no complaints. YouTube. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.